Okay, I'm not full, but it wasn't bad. No way, cassowaries. To another episode of Birding and Exploring Adventures. We're still in Far North Queensland. Today it's a day trip from Port Douglas up through the Daintree and to Cape Tribulation. I'll bring you back when we're a little further down the road. I'll take you through the main drag of Mossman. That's the first town after Port Douglas, heading north. Yeah, sugarcane country out here. Very exciting. The Daintree River, that is, and this is the ferry crossing, and when we get to the other side we're into the Daintree Rainforest. Cool. There's a better look at the Daintree River. Well, first stop, this is Cow Bay. Nice looking place. Think I'll go for a walk along here, see if there's any wildlife to photograph. No way, cassowaries. Well, I just stopped back there. Couldn't believe my luck. Second year in a row, spotted some cassowaries and chicks on the side of the road. Got a few pics, here they are. This is Cape Tribulation Beach. Bugger, the tide's in. Might not be able to get my feed of oysters. This is the northern end of Cape Tribulation Beach, looking back toward the south. Olive-back sunbird amongst all the mangroves. Stew rake. So we've turned around now, we're heading back. I've just noticed this little reef system here, or rock system along the coast. Thought I might pull over and try my luck, see if I can get some fresh oysters. And not an oyster to be seen. Geez, I'm hungry. Yes, I'm still in that same area. I just spotted these different type of rocks and thought I'd come up here and have a look, see if there's any oysters or anything. And lo and behold, there's a meal. Well, there's the first one. All right, got no time to sit around talking. I've got oysters to eat. Okay, I'm not full, but it wasn't bad. Onwards. And this is Thornton Beach on the way back. Nearly back to the ferry. Just pulled in at this lookout here. Shows the Daintree River where it meets the sea. Well, that's that one done. Quick spin through the Daintree and up the Cape Tribulation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you wish. See you on the next one. Ciao for now.